Calculating your engagement rate on TikTok is the key to understanding just how much your content resonates with your audience. It's more than just chasing views. It's about building real connections and creating buzz around your brand or profile. Let's break it down so you can start tracking your success like a pro. First, what actually counts as engagement on TikTok? Think likes, comments, shares, and saves. Any action that shows viewers are interacting with your video, not just scrolling past. These metrics are visible right on your posts, making it easy to gather the numbers you need. Now, to get your engagement rate, add up your total engagements for a specific video. That means the sum of all likes, comments, shares, and saves. Next, divide that number by the total number of views for the same video. Multiply your answer by 100 to get your engagement rate as a percentage. For example, if your video gets 500 likes, 100 comments, 50 shares, and 50 saves, that's 700 total engagements. If the video has 10,000 views, your engagement rate would be calculated like this. 700 divided by 10,000 equals 0.07. Multiply by 100, and your engagement rate is 7%. Why does this matter? High engagement rates show that your content is sparking conversations and prompting viewers to take action. Brands and creators with strong engagement get noticed by the TikTok algorithm, which can help your videos reach even more people. With Famety, you can boost your engagement across all social platforms, including TikTok. Whether you need more likes, comments, or shares, our services can help you stand out and grow your audience. Track your engagement, analyze your results, and let Famety help you shine in the world of social media.